Hi, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. I don't know if you watched my video 41, but if not, I recommend that you watch that. I talked about these wonderful cups here, and I'm going to show you what you can do with them. Now, this was brought to my attention by the wonderful Myriam, with a Y, which is Myriam's Nature, and she talked about these silicone cups that you can get that changed her life when it comes to resin. The great thing she told me is that you just have to use your resin. Once you're done, just leave it, let it set, and then, hey presto, anything that's left in there will come out. So she used clear resin, or I've got sea clear resin. I've used it with colours, and inside it all comes out. All I've got to do is, because I was quite sticky on the outside, is go around and wipe that off to make sure that there is no going to be bits. But look at that, in one blob it just came out. So just to show, it looks like it does work better if you leave your lollipop stick in, but all I'm doing is breaking it up like you would do a little ice cube, and look, all pops out. And then I'll give them a little wash with soapy water and ready to use again. Great for the environment, great for cleaning up and less time. So this one doesn't have a lollipop stick, but I just want to show you, just by squeezing it a little bit, it pops out, and you have a cup that, with a little bit of just wiping around now, is going to be good to use. Now, I got mine off Amazon, very affordable, but if you just put silicone measuring cups for resin, and you'll get a cup, come up with this. Now, the only downside is these ones are only 100 ml. I couldn't see anything bigger, but I mix my resin up in my glass jar as normal, which can take up to 800 mils. But because these are 100 mils, I very rarely work with a colour bigger than 100 mil with different shades, or if I do, I'd use 2. But this is really great because I pour 6 different colours in 6 different ones of these, and I can reuse them time and time again, and very little cleaning. So thank you very much. But check out Myriam with a Y, Myriam's Nature, on YouTube, and you'll see a link there, but I'll put a link to these cups on mine as well. So thank you so much, Myriam. You have changed my world.